Hello guys, it's Nikki. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, today's topic is going to be about organic herbal black soap. How to make organic herbal black soap. Because I think I had so many comments. I remember when I made a video months ago. Yeah, when I made a video on the wrong ingredient added into black soap, and most people kept commenting that, okay, fine, since you think it's the wrong ingredients, why don't you give us the right ingredients? Well, today I'm going to be giving you the right ingredient used in making organic black soap, because I actually complained that the ingredient they used the last time that most people actually get to use, that it's so popular about rice powder, that one powder, oats milk powder. You know, it actually irritated my skin and actually irritated so many people's skin. So I'm not just gonna look at it from my own point of view where people will be like, oh, she's judging from my own point of view. So many people have actually walked up to me and told me, yeah, the soap you talked about, yeah, actually tends to itch my skin each time after I finish bathing and makes my skin dry. But today I'm actually going to be giving you the right recipe needed for organic herbal black soap. So it won't be like, yeah, any recipe you want for Monica or for Mickey, you have to pay for it. Well, today you're not going to be paying for this one. You're going to be getting the right recipe and it's going to be lovely on your skin. So just stay tuned. I'm going to list out the recipe. That's why I'm wearing this. So there's no omission or mistakes whatsoever. And apart from that, I will also display most of the products on the screen, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. There's no mistake or omission whatsoever, and you're not going to be saying, oh, which products was Mickey talking about, or which one was she actually referring to. You're not going to have that as an excuse. So the ingredient on the list is we have 100 grams of black soap. That's Ghana black soap, not Nigerian black soap. It's brownish, in a brownish park, and it's 500 grams. I think it's 500 grams. So you're gonna have to extract 100 grams out of Ghana black soap. You're gonna have to extract 100 grams for this usage. Now this mixture is meant for a single person, not for commercial purposes. But if you actually want to make it for sale, or you actually want to use it for commercial purposes for a large number of people, or you just have to multiply the measurements I'm going to give you to suit that the number of people you actually want to give the soap to. That's exactly what I'm saying. So we need 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now, you know we have the hot pressed coconut oil and the cold pressed coconut oil. The coconut oil I'm referring to here is the cold pressed coconut oil, meant for a light skinned person. Now, for a dark person, you can use any of the coconut oil you want. But for a light skinned person, it's necessary you use the cold pressed coconut oil, so you don't notice any darkening whatsoever, because there are some soap, or there are some black soap who tend to darken the skin more, because you'll be like, this soap is supposed to lighten me, now what's happening? It's actually going to be darkening your skin. So we need shea butter mints. Though you can actually make shea butter mints yourself, or you can actually just make use of the shea butter. 2 tablespoons of shea butter. You can just heat it up. Double boiler method. Don't go putting it in a fry pan and killing it completely. It's better use the double boiler method to heat it up, so it gets to melt, dissolve completely. And again, you can decide not to do that and just add it into the ingredient, but it's necessary to do that just to liquidate it a little. And 2 tablespoons of whitening soap powder. Now, you shouldn't be using the blue whitening soap powder. You need the white bleaching soap powder. That's what is going to be used here. You need the white bleaching soap powder, not the blue bleaching soap powder. And 2 tablespoons of mulberry extract, 2 tablespoons of licorice extract. Now we have the white licorice extract, we have the black licorice extract. Black, brownish, thereabout. I think that's the color. you need the black or brownish color of the licorice extract, not the white one. The white one is always used for the lips. So we need a vitamin C powder. That's 2 tablespoons of vitamin C powder. Where I'm actually driving at is, I know some of you will be like, okay, she has given us the list or the recipe used in making organic black. How are we going to make it? I know there are some people who actually tend to fry their recipe. Would I say fry it? Yeah, I've seen someone who actually did a black soap, and the next thing she did was she had to put the black soap on the fire, she had to heat it up, she had to do that. You shouldn't do that for Ghana black soap. Rather, you find yourself itching your skin. You shouldn't do that. The soap is already soft already. It's made the soft way, so it can be easily crushed. So we shouldn't be found doing that. What you should do, there are two ways of making the soap. You just get a mortar. You put your black soap into the mortar. Then you start adding your ingredients, your powders, your licorice extract, your honey, you add it into it, then you pound it. But I don't really like that mixture. The reason why I don't like that mixture is some ingredient might be left out. It might not actually form together, or they're not going to be combined properly. So the mixture I use is to get the powders together, the sandalwood powder, the turmeric powder. You get the powder together, and then you add the liquid into the powder and you dissolve it well. You mix it very well so it gets completely dissolved, and then you add it into the black soap in the mortar and you pound it. It's simple. That way all your ingredients are together, they are being formed. There's no I'm pouring the powder, I'm pouring that, I'm pouring this. That's a long process. It's a really long process, because the easiest process is for you to get all the powders and the oils together, put it together in a plate, preferably a plastic plate, not stainless. Put it together in a plate and you mix it. You have it in your plate, you have all your mixture in a plate, then you just pour it into your mortar and you pound it. Chicken, huh? It's just simple. And then you can use it on your body, but preferably when I make soap like that, I tend to let it wait for 24 hours before I tend to use it on my body, so it's completely relaxed. Then I start adding on my body. Now I know some of you will be like, okay, she added bleaching soap powder. Why? Is the soap going to whiten you? The soap alone cannot whiten you. The reason why I added bleaching soap powder is most times people get to complain that black soap tend to darken them instead of whitening them. The reason why, that's why I added bleaching soap powder into it, so that instead of the soap darkening you, the bleaching soap powder is actually going to help lighten you a bit. Not completely white, just give you 1 shade lighter, 2 shade lighter, just help with the with your skin tone, so it's not gonna take you backwards. And again, hope you know, apart from the soap, the cream is meant to help protect your skin and make your skin beautiful. So yes, soap actually works in beautifying your skin, but then again, your moisturizer do most of the work as well as your scrub. You should know that. So you shouldn't be, oh, she told me I'm going to be light with this soap, how come it has not worked? You know, my subscribers are really lovely people. They're going to say that. So I need to explain to you guys first so you guys get to understand it. And the soap can be used by all and sundry. It's beautiful. But it's not meant to be used for kids. The reason why it's not going to be used for kids is it contains that bleaching soap powder. Bleaching soap powder is not meant to be used for kids. But with the omission of bleaching soap powder, you can actually use the ingredient for kids if you want to take out the bleaching soap powder. Because most of the ingredients there are plain organic products. There's no chemical whatsoever. Even the unprocessed coconut oil is beautiful. It's also good for kids. So forget the fact that it's an industrial one, but it's also still beautiful for kids. So if you actually want to make this mixture for your kids, take out the bleaching soap powder. I'm saying it too, but if you want to use the soap, and you notice the soap actually darkening me, but just need to use your bleaching soap powder. And hope you know this is not a completely whitening black soap, because there are some ingredients you need to add to it again, apart from this one you added that it's been pounded and it's been made into a black soap. There are some ingredients to be added to help make it a bleaching, or should I say bleaching? No, let's omit that one. to actually make it a whitening black soap. So for now, it's just normal black soap that should glow your skin, beautify your skin with a good cream. I need to specify that now, because most times the guys like, oh, can I just use only soap to whiten my skin? No, you need a cream that would also help bring out that beautiful skin, that la poche beautiful skin. And you say, I know. Well, don't mind me. Now, for most of you, probably just watching my video, or you're just watching my channel right now, you just bumped into my channel and you're seeing this video, you can just click on the link that will be displayed on the screen right now about some other videos I've done, and you probably want a glowing skin. Now I've talked about a black soap, so you're thinking, which cream should I use? It's going to be displayed on the screen right now, so you guys get to know the exact cream to use. Just click on the link and click on my face. It's got my face in it. Subscribe to my channel, honey. Please subscribe, like, share my video, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys next week.